बहुत सारे प्लेयर है। एक अगर टॉप ऑफ द एट नाम लूँ तो दीपेंद्र आयरी है, जो मेरे ख्याल से ऑलरेडी आईपीएल खेलना चाहिए था। रोहित है और गुलशन है, काफ़ी प्लेयर्स है। एक तो दो तीन नाम लिए मैंने, लेकिन एक साल नेपाल टीम के साथ रहा हूँ मैं। इन सारे लड़कों को बहुत करीब से देखा है, उनके साथ काम किया है, तो इनमें बहुत ज़्यादा टैलेंट है, बहुत एबिलिटी है। और जैसे ही इनमें और ज़्यादा बिलीफ आने लगेगा और एक्सपोजर, जैसे नेपाल प्रीमियर लीग आई थिंक इज़ अ सुपर्ब प्लेटफॉर्म। दे आर रबिंग शोल्डर्स विद लॉट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स, शेयरिंग ड्रेसिंग रूम्स, तो उसकी वजह से उनमें बहुत डेवलपमेंट होगा, बहुत ग्रोथ होगा और कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा। वी हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू एग्जीक्यूट द प्लान्स दैट वी हैव लेड आउट, especially in the bowling department, where we have conceded a lot of runs and not been able to pick up wickets. That has hurt us. The first two games, I think we batted quite well, but we could not back it up with our bowling. And today we didn't bowl well enough, but still I thought 188 was a gettable target. But we got off to a poor start and that set us back. We are trying to get the right combination of the team, considering the fact that it's a morning game or an evening game, or we are playing games back to back as well. So we are trying to find what is going to work best for us. As you said, unfortunately it's not worked out, but we are confident that in the coming games it will work out. We just lost wickets. I mean, it's very easy to blame somebody, but the two batters, Rohit and Tom, have batted superbly in the first two games. So you can't score every game, but I think they bowled well. They bowled to the plan that probably we also wanted to bowl to. Wicket to wicket, they got two LBWs. So they bowled well and we just lost wickets, that's it. Obviously, we are not satisfied because we want to get better. We would like to keep teams to under 150. And I thought at one time we were on course, but Zaib batted well. DP, of course, all of us know what he can do. And we didn't, as I already said, we did not really stick to the plans that we had decided to. So Ben has had an injury due to which he is not bowling. So he'll be playing purely as a batter. So that is just to answer. Sorry? Initial conversation, I have not had an initial conversation, so that is probably for the franchise to answer. But he is definitely an integral part of the team and you'll see him playing in the coming games. We are mentally always up there. I mean, we might not have performed well. Obviously, we have not performed well. We have lost 3 games. The first game, of course, was very close. A game we should have won. Yesterday, we did not go our way. Today also, there were phases in the game where we thought we were there. But again, we lost 5 wickets in the power play, which set us back. Tomorrow is a fresh game. It's a new team. Janakpur Bowls have won 3 games. They are on a roll. They are a very good side. Good batting, bowling side. But we are confident of turning up and doing our best tomorrow. Positives are Bibek's batting. Surya bowled very well. Rohit bowled very well. In spite of not really picking wickets, our energy in the field was good. So a lot of positives to take from this game. We are trying to take it one game at a time. That is my job as a coach, to try and keep the morale of the players high, to try and prepare them for every game as well as I can. And every time the results don't go our way, we go back to the drawing board and see what we can do better next time. So this game is done and dusted. I mean, we can talk all evening about what has gone wrong with this game, but it's in the past now. We are looking forward to tomorrow's game and trying to prepare as best as we can. We have the team we have, so there's no point in saying that we probably should have had somebody else. We are, as I've already said a couple of times, we are not able to execute what we have planned or what we are deciding to. And we'll keep working on that. These are young bowlers, these are young domestic players who certainly have it in them to perform well. And again, that is my job as a coach, to try and ensure that they perform. The atmosphere is excellent. You can come now and you would not be able to make out whether we have won the game or lost the game. So at the end of the day, it's just a game and we play hard. You see our motto, we say play with pride, play without fear. We try to do that. You lose the game, obviously we are disappointed, but it's okay. There's always a next game.
आपने इंडियन क्रिकेट में भी बहुत काम किया है, अभी आप यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं, कौन से प्लेयर आपको लगते हैं, क्योंकि आप नेशनल टीम के साथ भी हैं, जो जल्दी आईपीएल में भी हमको खेलते हुए दिखाई दे सकते हैं?
बहुत सारे प्लेयर है। एक अगर टॉप ऑफ द एट नाम लूँ तो दीपेंद्र आयरी है, जो मेरे ख्याल से ऑलरेडी आईपीएल खेलना चाहिए था। रोहित है और गुलशन है, काफ़ी प्लेयर्स है। एक तो दो तीन नाम लिए मैंने, लेकिन एक साल नेपाल टीम के साथ रहा हूँ मैं, इन सारे लड़कों को बहुत करीब से देखा है, उनके साथ काम किया है, तो इनमें बहुत ज़्यादा टैलेंट है, बहुत एबिलिटी है। और जैसे ही इनमें और ज़्यादा बिलीफ आने लगेगा और एक्सपोजर, जैसे नेपाल प्रीमियर लीग आई थिंक इज़ अ सुपर्ब प्लेटफॉर्म, दे आर रबिंग शोल्डर्स विद लॉट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स, शेयरिंग ड्रेसिंग रूम्स, तो उसकी वजह से उनमें बहुत डेवलपमेंट होगा, बहुत ग्रोथ होगा और कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा।